Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Oreo truffles without cream cheese. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of Oreo cookies, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure your workspace is ready by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. This preparation makes the process smooth and easy for delicious results. Next, take your Oreo cookies and crush them thoroughly into fine crumbs. A food processor works best for this, but a Ziploc bag and rolling pin also do the trick. Transfer the crumbs to a large bowl, then pour in the 1/2 cup of melted butter. Add the 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, mixing everything until it forms a cohesive dough. Now it's time to form your truffles. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into uniform balls, aiming for about 1 inch in diameter. Place these perfectly round truffles onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all are formed, transfer the sheet to the refrigerator. Chilling them for at least 30 minutes is crucial. It helps them firm up nicely before the next step. For the grand finale, melt 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips or candy melts. You can use a microwave or a double boiler for this. Carefully dip each chilled truffle into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Return the coated truffles to the parchment paper. Before the chocolate sets, add sprinkles or a decorative chocolate drizzle for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.